In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a combo chart in Google Sheets, which combines line, area, and column charts. Let's dive right in and see how we can create a dynamic and insightful visualization for your data. First, we need to open a new or existing Google Sheet where you've stored your data. Make sure that your data is well organized, with your headers clearly defined at the top of each column. This setup is important because it will guide how your chart is generated. Next, select all the data that you wish to visualize. This includes the column and row headers, as they will help label your chart appropriately, making it easier to understand at a glance. A quick way to select your data is to click and drag your mouse across the cells you want to include. Once your data is selected, look at the top menu bar of Google Sheets and click on Insert. This action will open a drop-down menu where you can select Chart. By choosing this, Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on the data you've selected. However, we want to create a combo chart, so we need to adjust these initial settings. Now, in the Chart Editor panel, you'll see that a default chart type is selected, often a column chart. Click on this and look for the Combo Chart option. Select it, and your chart should automatically update to reflect the new combined data visualization style. After selecting Combo Chart, let's add more depth by clicking on Add Series. This allows us to include additional data ranges or variables in our chart. Click to select the appropriate range that you want to incorporate. This can provide more insights into your data, allowing you to compare multiple datasets effectively. Once you've chosen your additional data range, confirm by clicking OK. Your combo chart should now reflect all entered data, offering a comprehensive visual overview of your selected metrics. To make your chart more impactful, let's customize it. Click on Customize in the Chart Editor panel. Here, you have many options to adjust how your chart looks, ensuring it aligns with your desired presentation style. First, under the Customize tab, select Chart and Axis Titles. This is where you can input your chart title, giving viewers immediate context about what your chart represents. Type in a descriptive title that reflects the data, such as Monthly Sales Overview or Product Performance Comparison. You can further customize your title, adjusting font, size, or even the orientation to ensure it stands out and remains readable. For further customization, click on Series. Here you can make additional adjustments like adding trend lines, which can indicate overall trends in your data. It's a helpful tool for emphasizing patterns that might not be obvious at first glance. Following these steps will ensure you've created a well-organized, visually appealing combo chart in Google Sheets. By integrating line, area, and column elements, you provide a holistic view of your data, enhancing interpretation and insight. That's it. Now you know how to create and customize a combo chart in Google Sheets effectively. Thanks for watching and happy charting.